We're here to harvest some taros, and you looked at this plantation of ours here. It's pretty much overgrown with weeds. This is what happens when you neglect it. You're too busy working on the other plantations. It's okay, most of them are ready for harvesting anyways. Just that part further down that we need to clear the weeds. Weed maintenance. Welcome back to Life on the Rock Niue Island. It's me and Bumi. We're going to grab some taros for our Sunday lunch tomorrow. So this is the taro that we're here to harvest. And this taro here, it's 3 weeks. Oh, this is the last one left of the whole lot. I think you've seen us harvest them here before. And we also need to clear a lot of those weeds to let the hoolies grow so we can have more hoolies to transfer and plant. And this is the last of the taros that we left behind, mainly because it was growing well, and it's still growing okay. But the taro there now, it's just about 3 weeks shy of 12 months since we planted it. So about 11 months and a week. So if I leave it for the next 3 weeks, then it'll be exactly a year since we planted it. And I'm just gonna grab it also because I wouldn't be surprised if most or a big part of it's rotten already. Alrighty. So we've had a lot of rain and poor maintenance. So this plantation of ours, overgrown with weeds. And we have a lot of hoolies that we need to clear the weeds, so let the hoolies grow well, so we can come and grab them for replanting. So it's 5:07 p.m.
Good evening, everyone.
Was it hard to pull it out, Bum?
No,
See, Bum said it's easy.
unless it's tighter.
Hold it up. How's the bottom? Turn the bottom over to me. See, so it's bubble a bit. Oh, bubble quite a bit. Oh well, I'll just chop some off. So that one big massive taros only have 2 hoolies on it. And here's the rest of the hoolies that we got that we'll take up to our other manunu. So I'm gonna plant them after we get the taros here for tomorrow. So there it is. Yeah, holding it. We're just gonna see how much of it's bubble. See, bubble, bubble. Oh, that's a better part. Don't feel it. See, so it's bubble up to about here. Yeah, and that part's good. Yeah, so this one taro here, and I think I just need to grab about 3 or 4 more.
At least I finished my coconut earlier.
What's your coconut for?
For your fish.
Yeah, that's for the dish tomorrow. So the fish that we got from spearing today. It's a good thing we have that to add on to our table. So save us from spending money to get something from the store. Just got fish. So at least, even with the big chunk that was rotten, but we still have a good sized taro here for eating. So at least we have something left of it, so it's not all gone to waste.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, eh, Bum?
Yes.
Why you say beautiful?
Because it's very clean. No hairies.
Yep.
And thick, too.
Yep. So one down. And we're just gonna cut off the top there so we can replant them along with these ones. I'm just gonna take off this old leaf here. That's the one. So that's the one. Should have trimmed it a little bit better when I trimmed it, but there it is beside my head. I'll move my head up so it's even with it. Put my chin here so it's fair with the taro. There we go. It's about the same size as my face and my head.
Does it have a record face shaped?
There it is.
You just ignore me, you fodder.
Oh, okay. I think, Boom, you want to have a picture like this too with the taro.
It's bigger than me.
So if we harvested it when it was still good, I think we cut off about this much off the bottom, about there. So it's bigger than my head. How about if I put it like this? Looks much, much bigger. Look at the mini taro shoots from the taro. See, Boom's clearing it, cleaning it. Like this one here. Too much playing around with the camera. I think time to put the phone down.
It was
and
you.
go pull our taro so we can go and start planting our hoolies. You hear him, Boom?
Good.
Okay, so we're just about to head off now. Go plant our hoolies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra taros. Just like I mentioned. The report. So this lot here should be more than enough for us tomorrow. I like this taro for spalag. This one here, new taro to Niue. Not many people like it, but I like the taro.
The black one?
This one.
I said the black one, yeah.
It's not black. And I like these ones too. These ones are not bad boiled up. Some other manure types, when you boil them, no good. Don't really like them, kind of mushy. But these tend to be not too bad when you boil it. Or if you bake it in the gas stove, even better. Same with these ones here. I like these ones because like most times, this Fasepalagi taros here, man, they just grow big. And there are a few times already that I have just one taro filled up our pot. And me and my whole family, we didn't even finish eating it. So there's that harvest for this evening. And we'll head off. We'll finish off cleaning them at our manunu so we can plant the tops. And if we don't finish planting them this evening, we'll come back Monday, sometime Monday. If not early Monday morning, then we might do it Monday evening to finish off the rest. Okay, guys, thank you very much for always keeping up with the haps over our end. When we're out in the bush garden doing taros, or when we're out here in a bush garden harvesting taros, planting taros, or whatever it is we do at a bush garden or at home, Sunday lunches. Appreciate your viewing. And don't forget, drop us a comment. We always love hearing from you guys. Until then, peace. total hoolies we have here in this box and in the bucket. How many do you guys think? Hoolies or shoots? Here they are here. Baby taros. These are the ones that I showed you during our Sunday lunches when I eat them. Baby taros. Check that out. These parts here, they taste the best. Bake them with a polokaluku or polofua, with coconut cream, bacon de umu, or the gas stove, or however you want to cook them. They come out the best. It's always the smaller taros that taste the best. Big ones, they look good. The big ones, it's good to look at, look impressive, but the better tasting ones are these ones. Which ones you like, Bommy?
Small ones.
Why?
Small.
Taste better or no?
Small. They're easy to finish up.
When you eat them?
Yep.
What about the taste? Do you like the taste compared to the big ones?
They're all the same.
All the same to you?
Yep.
Okay, so for Bommy, they all taste the same, but the small ones are better because they're easy to eat them all up and no waste, bomb. Not like the big ones. You might not be able to finish the slice.
Yeah.
So here we are. We just got up to our manunu now. We're going to plant our hoolies. And Naka's finishing off cleaning the taros. And for those to replant. So the sinapis that me and Hay scattered before. Here they are, they've all grown. You can see heaps of seeds. Nice. All the seeds there. So we got heaps of seeds that we'll collect later on when it's dry. And we can keep it. And we can keep on scattering them onto our other plantations. Manunu. So we keep getting more of these. There's heaps of it, we can't keep up eating them. Wasabi. Just Bummy pulling the weeds.